In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Constant Contact email. Let's dive right in and guide you step by step through this simple process, ensuring you can access your emails offline whenever you need them. To start, go ahead and navigate to the main dashboard of your Constant Contact account. Once you're there, look for the Marketing Channels option in the main navigation menu. This section is essentially your portal to various marketing functionalities within the platform. Clicking here will open up several options. For our purpose, you're going to want to direct your attention to the Email section. Now that you're in the Email section, you'll see a list of all your email campaigns. Locate the specific email you wish to download from your collection. This could be a campaign you've recently sent out, a draft you're collaborating on, or an older campaign you want to keep archived for future reference. Once you've identified the right email, it's time to move on to the next step. Look for the More icon next to your selected email. This little icon, often found in many digital interfaces, is commonly used to indicate additional actions or settings related to that item. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu, revealing a set of options you can apply to your email. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Download and Print. Click on this choice to proceed. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose the file type you'd like for your download. Constant Contact offers various formats, such as PDF, JPG, or PNG. Depending on your needs, whether you're looking for a high-quality print or a quick, easy-to-access digital file, select the format that best fits your requirements. It's worth noting that you also have the option to adjust the size and scale of your file before proceeding with the download. Maybe you want a smaller size for easy sharing, or perhaps a larger, more detailed version to maintain quality in print. Take a moment to customize this setting according to your preference or needs. Remember, these adjustments are entirely optional, so feel free to skip this part if you're happy with the default settings. Once all your choices have been made, the final step is to click the Download button. Doing so will initiate the download process, saving your email to your computer or device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may be saved to your default Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose where to store it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Constant Contact email, making it accessible offline and ready for printing or archiving. With these straightforward steps, managing your email content and keeping a record of your campaigns has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and be sure to catch our next video for more helpful tutorials and tips.